Hello everyone and welcome back to Candy's Crafty Closet. Today I have a special one for you. I made a journal for my mother-in-law for Christmas, and before I packaged it up, I want to show you this. You're not going to see this till after Christmas because I don't want her to see it, but this is the outside of it. She wants to be able to leave memories to our kids. She wants to be able to put all her passwords and important stuff like that in a book, and she's just been putting that off. So I figured if I made her a book, maybe she would actually do that. So this book is already gator mouthing because I've already put a lot of pictures in here for her, and I know she's going to do more, so I might have to make her a second one already. But let's get into this one here. I just did a simple closure because she's not going to be able to fiddle with like little clasps and stuff like that. It is just wanting to bust open. Did you see that? So I did a lot of yellow in this book, and I kept things very antique and vintage looking because she likes that style. So I made her a big bookmark here. I didn't do a ton of decorating. I figured that she could decorate herself and let me know later on if there's anything she wants to add in. This is full of like some little cards and stickers she could place other places. She could put all kind of memorabilia in that. I did these large pictures in here. Now you are about to see pictures of her and my kids. I will ask her if she minds, but if she does not, I'm going to leave this in. And then I put, what is your favorite memory of Harrison? Because this is her and Harrison. This is my favorite picture of them. Him just loving his Momo. There's so much love in his eyes. Oh, I can't talk about his special stuff in this book or I will cry. I totally will. But there was a lot of thought put into this book. And I just thinking about her putting her hands on this and leaving memories for our kids. This is her holding my son Wyatt for the first time. That's her special memory of him. Oh, I didn't put a sticker on that one. It's okay, not every flap needs a sticker. I made a small pocket here and just put a card in it. This pulls out and it has a picture of her holding Harrison again. And it says, what is your favorite Christmas memory? Because this was a Christmas picture. And it slides down in there. And then it's, what is your favorite? And then I listed a whole bunch of stuff for her to write down. This also pulls out and it says, tell us about your dad. And I didn't have a picture of just her and her dad, or I would have put it in there. Hopefully she will add one in. Just some cards. This here, I wanted a space to ask her a lot of questions, or at least like give her some prompts, but I didn't know of a way to do it. This little collage is her and my kids. But I put in this little file folder, and it said, did you wear makeup or nail polish? What did you think you would be when you grew up? What was the best gift you ever got? What was your favorite foods? Tell us a story about your favorite pet. What shows did you watch on TV as a kid? You know, stuff like that. And so I put that in there to give her some writing prompts, and I just poked this picture in just because I wanted to. And then this one here has nothing on it. She can put whatever she would like on that one. I think that's the only one that's blank. And then here I put some personal pictures in here as well. And it says, what is your favorite memories with your brothers? This one here is of her holding my son Weston. What is your favorite memory of Weston? lots and lots of journaling space where she can share all of her memories that she wants to pass down to the kids. My daughter got stuck in a chair and she called us up and she couldn't get her out of there. What is your favorite memory of Haley? Another one of those little die cuts with the multi-pockets. Just little bits throughout. I threw in a lot of papers that just had yellow on them. I loved the blue and the white roses. She loves roses, so I wanted to represent those for her. I didn't have very much yellow paper, but I put it in where I could. I did a big inventory card. Since there was blue, you can see I worked in some blue in places as well. It's a whole bunch of different papers and cards. Oh, I need to add a ribbon to that one there. This is a picture of her and her mom and my son. And tell us about your mom. It's a picture of my sons and her at a wedding that was in our family. It says, "Do you have a funny story to tell us?" I hope she doesn't mind me sharing this, but this is her and her brothers. The one that she's hugging here, he is no longer with us, so I'm hoping that putting this picture in here will be special for her. Sorry. It's still raw. And then I put some pictures of our kids. This blanket she bought for my son, and that's him sleeping at her house, so it holds special memories. That's Weston. That one is Wyatt. I didn't think I would cry during this. Just several pretty little pages I added in for her. Some stuff is just for her. This here, I said, tell us about our dad. And I put a clock, and this did say 12/12/1964, I think, and I put his actual, I messed it around where it looks like his actual birthday on there, and then this flips out here where she can journal as well. And I left her plenty of space to tell them about her dad because he is an only child and he is her light, complete light. Just lots and lots of journaling space. I loved that sheet, and it had some yellow in it and blue. I hope that she fills this up with memories that I can read to our children one day, and we will treasure this so much. And this is a family picture a couple of years back. Picture of me and her son. Just some goofy pictures. Her son with our sons. Cute little Wessie. I wanted to put in so many more of these, but this made it so bulky. But if she wants me to make her another photo album, I will. I will gladly. But there is that book really fast. Whew, I'm gonna go compose myself. But, you know, that is the whole reason that I want to make these things right here, is to have them passed on for generations and for people to look back on your stories and your experiences and to get to know those people that you knew better than they did at a phase in their life that they weren't even around for. And so I hope my mother, oh God, so I hope that my mother-in-law loves this book. I hope that she knows how much love and attention went into making it. And I can't even talk about it anymore because I'm too dang emotional apparently. But I wanted to share it with y'all really fast. But I'm going to get off of here and have me a cry apparently. Bye. Have a good day.